February 1945. The Pacific Theater is raging, and Iwo Jima becomes a pivotal battleground. Smoke rises over volcanic cliffs, naval artillery thunders in the distance, and the fate of thousands hangs in the balance. This island, small in size, will witness one of the most iconic acts of courage in World War II. Marines brave the stormy surf and enemy fire as they land on Iwo Jima's black volcanic beaches. Each step is a perilous struggle. Every wave hides deadly obstacles. Fully armed and battle-worn, these men push forward, driven by courage and a duty to their comrades and country. Climbing the treacherous slopes of Mount Suribachi, Marines face relentless enemy fire. Japanese bunkers and hidden machine guns rain bullets down, yet the soldiers persevere. Every inch gained is a victory over fear and exhaustion, as bravery and brotherhood propel them toward the summit. On February 23, 1945, history is immortalized. 6 Marines raise the American flag atop Mount Suribachi. Amid the haze of smoke and the echo of distant artillery, this act becomes a symbol of courage, resilience, and unity. A moment captured forever, representing not just a victory, but the spirit of those who risked everything. The Marines pause behind the raised flag, surveying the battlefield they fought to conquer. Every scar on the terrain tells a story of sacrifice, of friends lost and battles endured. The flag flutters as a testament to their heroism, a beacon of hope amidst the devastation of war. We honor the courage and sacrifice of those who fought on Iwo Jima, a small island, yet a monumental stage for heroism. The legacy of February 1945 lives on, reminding us of the resilience of the human spirit and the cost of freedom.